Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Gemini API key. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open any browser and go to the search bar. Type Google AI Studio and press enter. Click the official link that appears. It will take you to Google's AI Studio page. Once you're on the site, accept Google's terms of service, then click Get API Key. On the next page, click Create API Key. You'll be asked to either select an existing project or create a new one. Choose the option that suits you. Once that's done, your free Gemini API key will be generated instantly. Make sure to copy and save the key somewhere secure. You'll need it to access and use Google's AI tools like Gemini Pro, Gemini 1.5, or other models available on the platform. The entire process takes just a few minutes. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Gemini API key. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.